To scan a TikTok QR code, start by opening the TikTok app on your device. The scanning process is quick and straightforward. Next, tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen, then look for the QR code scanner icon. This will activate your camera for scanning. Point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. The app will automatically detect it, and you can tap to follow the user or view their profile immediately. To share your own QR code, you need to access it from your profile. The process involves a few simple taps in your account settings. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner, then select QR code from the settings menu. Your personal QR code will appear with various sharing options. Your QR code is a unique identifier that others can scan to instantly follow you. It can be saved to your device or shared across different platforms. TikTok QR codes are increasingly popular at events, in business networking, and educational institutions. They provide rapid follower acquisition and enhanced engagement opportunities.